Key takeaways from SQC1 and SA220. SQC1 requires that firms should establish a system of quality control designed to provide it with reasonable assurance that the firm and its personnel comply with the professional standards and regulatory and legal requirements, and that reports issued by the firm or engagement partners are appropriate in the circumstances. SQC1 is applicable to audits, reviews of historical financial information, and other assurance and related services engagements. It is applicable to all firms, irrespective of its constitution. Elements of a system of quality control envisaged in SQC1 include establishing leadership responsibilities for quality within the firm, complying with ethical requirements, acceptance and continuance of client relationships and specific engagements, establishing policies and procedures, addressing issues of capabilities, competence, and commitment of human resources in firm to carry out engagements, engagement performance, and monitoring. In respect of difficult or contentious matters, consultation may be required at the appropriate professional level with individuals within or outside the firm who have specialized expertise to resolve a difficult or contentious matters. Significant judgments made in an engagement should be reviewed by an engagement quality control reviewer EQCR for taking an objective view before the report is issued. The review does not reduce the responsibilities of the engagement partner. Engagement quality control review is mandatory in respect of listed entities. The firm should establish policies and procedures for engagement teams to complete the assembly of final engagement files on a timely basis after the engagement reports have been finalized. Engagement files should be completed in not more than 60 days after the date of auditor's report in case of audit engagements and in any other case within the limits appropriate to engagements. Engagement documentation has to be retained for a period of time sufficient to permit those performing monitoring procedures to evaluate the firm's compliance with its system of quality control or for a longer period if required by law or regulation. In the specific case of audit engagements, the retention period ordinarily is no shorter than 7 years from the date of the auditor's report, or if later, the date of the group auditor's report. SA220 is applicable to audit engagements only. It deals with the responsibilities of the engagement team to implement quality control procedures that are applicable to the audit engagements. SA220 is premised on the basis that firm is subject to SQC1. It is within overall context of the firm's system of quality control. Engagement teams implement quality control procedures applicable to the audit engagements. Besides SQC1 and SA220, other standards on auditing, code of ethics issued by ICAI, and certain provisions in Companies Act 2013 facilitate quality control process. There also exists mechanism for review of quality control through peer review board, quality review board, and NFRA, National Financial Reporting Authority.